Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today, I'm troubleshooting a higher top-load automatic washing machine that refuses to drain water. When I set it to the spin cycle, the drain motor makes a humming sound but doesn't actually move, which confirms the motor is faulty. The customer mentioned that, after the initial drainage failure, it started leaking water continuously. This happened because someone tried to manually rotate the motor, leaving the water plug stuck in the open position. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the drain motor assembly. A quick technical tip for this specific higher model. Unlike many other machines, this one has separate motors for the drain plug and the clutch lever. I'll walk you through the proper way to desolder or disconnect the wires and how to navigate the tight space near the clutch handle to install the new part safely. Let's get to work.